Here's how to clean your filters using Ramuc Clean Prep Solution.
First, turn off power to the pool system. Next, remove the pool filters from the filter housing. Rinse off loose dirt, leaves, and debris using a garden hose. Place the filters into a watertight container large enough to fully submerge them. Mix 1 gallon of Ramuc Clean Prep Solution with 5 gallons of hot water. Allow the filters to soak in the solution for 1 hour to break down oils, scum, and mineral deposits. Remove the filters and rinse thoroughly with clean water. Repeat the process if necessary. Ramuc Clean Prep Solution helps restore filter performance and keep your pool running efficiently.